What's up, quality people? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today I'm going to be collabing with my friend Jocelyn. This is Jocelyn.
Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn. I have a YouTube channel called Frugal Mommy. Basically, I just specialize in vegan, low budget food. I've been a vegetarian for 10 years and I call myself a part-time vegan. So basically, we're making steak and cheese egg rolls and they're going to be so good. They're vegan, completely vegan. And yeah, I'm excited.
We're so excited. So if that's something that you guys didn't know, I want to eventually go vegan. So she's showing me an inexpensive way so that I can do so. So we're just gonna go right into this video right now.
You don't just want to throw seasonings. You need to taste your food to make sure it's hitting the way you need it to.
That's right, and this is Daiya. You guys know Daiya.
What does it taste like? It tastes like steak? Wow!
Hey! It's really bomb. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey. This is the first time we're trying this. Daiya's gonna join us.
Non-vegan.
Non-vegan.
She knows what vegan food tastes like.
Yes.
But...
Non-vegan still.
Okay. Everybody, let's go. Oh, this.
Oh, it's dripping.
Wow.
Ooh. What am I gonna dip it actually?
Oh my god, guys.
I'm gonna pour some duck sauce on.
Look
Oh,
at
friend,
you.
she's focusing.
Oh, she did that.
She did.
On the count of 3.
1,
2,
2, 3. Wait a minute. I'm gonna tell you. Y'all know. Y'all know I know food. Please, listen.
You know, when you start moving your feet, should be
This is
fine.
the perfect texture. I'm dripping. It tastes just like steak.
I got me a little spicy mustard, because what?
The same kind of texture.
That's my business. My business.
Her spicy mustard, and I have my duck sauce, honey, because I like it to be saucy. Little duck quacking at me. Quack and quack.
Duck sauce is vegan.
Duck sauce is plum sauce.
This is really good, guys.
This is bomb! It's so good, and it's so filling already.
It's like fall off the bone. It's like
Literally.
everywhere.
So, I hope that you guys enjoyed this quality vegan meal on this quality channel, and I hope that you guys go and subscribe to my friend Jocelyn's channel. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you guys want more collab videos with me and Jocelyn, comment down below, like it up, and just let us know in our DMs. We love to share and give some more tips.
Wow, that was so good.
Yeah, so good. All right, guys, until
Thank
next
you.
time, bye.